Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Flutter versus code shortcuts. Let's dive into how mastering these keyboard commands can dramatically improve your development workflow. We'll explore essential shortcuts that streamline common tasks, from widget manipulation to efficient code navigation. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to leverage VS Code's power for faster, more enjoyable Flutter coding. Get ready to boost your productivity by several orders of magnitude. When working with Flutter widgets, efficiency is key. You can quickly wrap any widget with a new one, like a center or padding, using a simple command. Need to remove a widget? There's a shortcut for that too, saving you precious seconds. Extracting a widget into its own class for better organization becomes a 1-second task. Plus, duplicating lines or entire widgets is just a quick key combination away, making repetitive tasks much faster. Navigating large Flutter projects can be daunting, but not with the right shortcuts. Quickly jump to any file, symbol, or definition with just a few keystrokes. Refactoring your code, like renaming variables or methods, is seamless and integrated. For advanced editing, multi-cursor selection allows you to modify dozens of lines simultaneously. And to keep your code base pristine, automatic code formatting ensures consistent style across your entire project with one command. Debugging is an integral part of development, and VS Code offers powerful shortcuts. Set breakpoints, step through your code line by line, and inspect variables with ease. For Flutter, the famous hot reload and hot restart features are just a quick command away, letting you see changes in mere seconds without losing application state. Access hundreds of commands instantly via the command palette and use integrated terminal shortcuts to execute common commands without leaving your editor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.